Yeah, go ahead. Sink it.
Yeah, get this online.
I am. God almighty.
I'm sick and tired of this fucking bird.
Me too.
Did Kane say you want to go to the river or anything?
He didn't say.
Huh? Man, this is fucking
Ah, shit.
good job.
Damn it to hell. I'm stuck.
Put my fucking truck back out here.
Hey, listen.
Look. Nick,
This is some
I'm
bullshit.
not bringing my pickup back out here, though. I mean, I can, but I ain't want to tear my little truck.
Listen. This is fucking ridiculous.
Hey, Nick, look. Nick, look.
Look.
Hit him with that flex. I'll be a big motherfucker, man.
Man, look. Y'all look. Y'all look at this shit. Hold on.
If I sink that fucking 18-wheeler here,
You see this?
y'all motherfuckers gonna be shitting when I sink my truck.
God, dog.
Better hope I don't sink my fucking truck.
Oh.
Hey, I'm going to hit up the air conditioner. You know my lady did.
Well, I need to...
You trying to sit in the truck with me while we wait on him?
He's about to pull up.
Wash your goddamn feet off first.
There he goes right there.
Oh, that's what's up. Fuck, man.
God, we're going to pull it out with the big rip. We're going to try to anyways. If I don't bust my ass first, I hate this fucking road. Hey, baby. You about to pull my truck out? Son of a biscuit. This is ridiculous. Look at me, I look rough. Son of a bitch.
You can just throw the rose bushes over there on the side.
I love the hat, man. I love the hat.
I think I got the bind on.
How many chains? We gonna have enough chains now? Listen.
I got a chain on bar. Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, I don't want to get on these roads.
Yeah, I'm gonna grab it on these 30.
Shit, here you go. Well, you got a handle to grab on. Fall in that shit. Thanks, Trust me. But yeah, I pulled them out yesterday with the...
It was my fault yesterday. So you gonna just pull it all the way backwards like you did
Hey,
yesterday?
that little chain there, is it, how long is this big? Hold on, we'll find out.
You put all of them together. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, all right. Nicky, hold this out here.
I do got a long strap.
Yeah, because,
Right here.
Here, go ahead. Go ahead.
hold on.
I got
Hold
this.
the fucking bar from hitting his tail light, so I'm asking.
Okay, sir. My bad.
I don't want to bust his damn tail light. Put that on the ground. Drop it. You said that strap there? Yeah, that's about what I need there, promise.
God, man. Guess we'll get it out in a
I'd
second.
rather use the strap, John. No problem.
You get it out, you can have this strap.
For real? Oh, this old flatbed strap.
Yep. My neighbor did.
I'm gonna try not to tell you. See, I got straps, I just can't cut them.
Yeah.
You know? I got some. That's
So,
yeah, that's the.
Well, give me the strap and I'll go hook it up.
I ain't want to tear nothing up in here.
Throw everything to the other side.
I got you, boss man. Yeah, how's your day going? I hear you. What you said? You know I'm the police and all.
You better shut your damn
I
mouth.
know he's not fucking with him.
Don't you ever say no shit like that.
They see my occupation. Fucking with your crazy ass.
Ah. I don't even got toes no more. You got it yet?
Get this strap, that's what I'd rather use. Oh yeah, I'm about to get it, I ain't want to mess up nothing that's good, you know, all these cords and stuff. We just throw this to the rope, guys, short too. You ain't no telling what you get.
Alright, I'll go hook it.
Toolbox supposed to work.
Here, give it here, I'm gonna go hook it up.
You ain't hooking shit.
I know how to hook it.
Nikki, for you to have a back glass busted, no.
I'm not going to bust nothing. How you going to tell me I'm going to bust the glass out? How's this even work?
Take this shit, that's why I just said. Right, you ain't fucking with the goat.
Kiss my
Well,
ass.
go hold the goat while I fuck.
I hear you over there. Y'all got to be shitting me, man. Damn. Am I taking this? Fuck. Y'all. Listen. Shut up, Tiffany. Listen. You can't even freaking walk down this road without sinking. We got to get home some damn how. Now we about to go in reverse all the way down this bitch. Oh shit, I'm about to sink again. I'm about sick of this shit. It's turning. Look, I'm gonna show you. Watch this shit right here, y'all. Watch this. See this right here? Watch my shit. Can y'all see that? Can you see this shit? Can you see it? Oh fuck! I'm gonna fall on my face.
What are you doing?
I'm on live. There's like a whole bunch of people watching. I don't know who. My toes. I don't know that that's. Take it to.
Don't tell me what the hell to do. I've been doing this since you was
Before I was born, motherfucker, I'm older than you.
Shitting goddamn
Why don't you put it through this hole?
Why don't you just shut up? That's not going. Just shut up, Nikki, for a minute.
You shut up.
For a minute. I'm not trying to be an ass, but
Yeah, you are.
a woman trying to tell a man what to do in this predicament ain't working.
Oh my goodness. Ow! Where's the chain? Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna try and stay live while we do this because I'm driving the truck backwards.
Stick it to the fifth wheel, right? Stick the phone in that grease hole and watch it.
Yeah, but my phone will probably fall in the mud puddle if I do that. I don't know that that's gonna work. Where's the other chain at? You shut up.
That's a lot of train, dude.
Oh, let me go. I don't even know if the keys are in the truck. Oh, hell. Hold on.
Hey, Nick. Hey.
Hey!
Ass up here real quick.
Hold on, I gotta see if the keys. Okay, I was making sure the keys was in the truck.
Get up here. I need you to wash these back tires.
Oh God, what do you mean? What?
Back up a little bit more.
Oh, you can back up an inch. You might sink the big truck.
I just want my tires right.
Okay, all right.
Hey, I'm on the damn door. Clean this out, my shit.
Alexis, this is that shit. I told you your ass would get bogged down if you wasn't going fast. Just a little bit. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Will that fit? Yeah, that'll fit.
I just want, yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, that'll fit. Damn it, I'm sinking here too.
No, stop. Here.
You gonna put it through that, ain't you?
You can't. Stop.
Damn it. Yeah, sink, put it through the hole right there.
Stop or sink it. I'm trying to figure it.
Oh, now that's my toes. Put it through that hole, Corey.
Just stop, Nikki. You can't just put it through a hole unless you want it to come off and bust your back glass.
It better not bust the back glass. I'll be in trouble.
Hold on. That's what I'm saying, well.
All right. Let me go get in the truck.
See what I'm saying?
Is that good? Pull
No,
up.
it's not good.
It's not.
No good.
Well, pull up a little bit and make it. What the frig are we doing here? Okay.
Hey, let me get my hoe out the road.
I got you.
All the way to the road, end of the road.
Here.
Hear me?
Yep.
Just.
I got it. Just make sure I don't go in a ditch. Gotcha. That ditch, by the way. Okay. Let me get in this bitch. Yep, I'm Hey, why is it spinning? Go ahead. That didn't work. Son of a... Shut the fuck up. Alright, that didn't work. Hey, why is it when I put it in the reverse and ain't pressing the gas, it's still spinning? Do you hear me? Ah! This is not working the way it needs to be working. Sorry. This and that.
What is that broke?
This. It didn't come.
Broke
It came untied.
No, it broke.
No.
It broke. Let me go get my fucking pickup.
You gonna get your pickup?
Yeah. Yep.
That's the only way we're gonna get it out. Or the little Ranger. The little Ranger gonna pull me out.
All the fucking way, too. Let me get this out of the way.
All right, go ahead.
Put my shoes in your truck.
All right. Hey, listen. When I put it in reverse, I'm not pressing the gas, and the damn tire's spinning.
Yeah, we need this truck.
Why is it doing that? I'm not even pressing the gas. I'm not pressing the gas, though. It's not pressing the gas at all.
No, it's bottomed out.
So it's going to spin? Oh, okay. Well, you're not recorded.
Hey, let me get that in real quick.
Huh?
I'm trying.
Shit. Anybody with four-wheel drive is more than willing to help. But the Ranger will pull it out. It's just that, he's going to end up sinking if he goes in the wrong spot. Son of a bitch. What you mean lock is different? What are you talking about? Tell him to do what? Yeah, you made it, Alexis. You damn sure did. I thought we tore the whole damn front end and back end, and the daggum motor was up in the daggum dash just about.
If anything, I have to get the damn truck in the damn.
He'll if he needs to, he can hook to your truck.
Well, I'm about to
Will you hook to Corey's truck if you need
Come
to?
here and get it with the Ranger. Just be ready.
But up there,
Just hold on. Be ready now.
there's Alexis.
perfect.
Alexis, hold on, baby.
That's perfect. Let me get my truck out of here and I'll be in here. Hey, Pat, I might need you to back up and put that thing in a little rain. I'm gonna get it rain.
He done pulled me out with the Ranger yesterday, or 2 days ago. Hey, somebody said if you lock your diffs in, it will give you more traction. I don't know what that means, y'all. I don't know what that means. What does that mean, Brandon? He knows, I'm sure he knows, but to see that little truck right there pull me out the other day, man, the only thing is it's got a lot soggier, so I don't know what's about to happen. Oh, shit. Okay. Hey.
Never mind.
You got it?
Yep.
Oh, fucking fucktards. Little
What
Ranger.
happens with just this on there, alright?
Huh.
I'm gonna put his...
Son of a... Why do I keep... What? Here we go.
Alright, you better be ready.
So put it in reverse and that just let it go. Okay.
Stop into my driveway.
Okay. Oh, God. I'm just put it in reverse.
Alright, you know I'm about to spray dirt.
I know. Come on. Go. Oh, shit.
Hey, can you get out?
I don't know. No, look.
No, alright, hold on, I'll take you to the house.
All right. No, it sinks. You gotta go fast. All right, Corey. You ready?
You fucking just don't stop.
I'm not. I'm pressing the damn back, the reverse, the gas, whatever. Well, that wasn't good. Oh, hell. What's going on this side? What broke?
Hold on.
I put it in park. Yeah, I think it hit the back glass, didn't it?
It's just a strap, no, it hit the back of the truck.
Huh? Yeah.
It's alright.
It ain't got no track. It ain't getting nothing.
Hold on, I got you.
Should I turn the traction control off?
No, just sit there and ride. It ain't gonna come undone. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, I reckon.
Stop
Shit.
now.
I'm not stopping. Oh, God.
Hold on.
God, I hope it don't hit the damn window.
Hey, listen, I got it wrapped around my ball hitch a few times, and I'm taking off.
All right.
Just keep
My damn legs are shaking. I'm so freaking nervous.
You might be able to pull me back out, though.
Okay, well, just go. Well, there went my camera. Can't y'all see anything? Shit. Hold on. Okay. We out, I think.
Right up there where it looks like that. Looks like that. No, you can't go across the back. You can't go around. No.
Ah, shit.
I'll swing that in front of you. Just fire.
My phone.
I got it.
Look, Corey.
You just will leave that right here and walk home. I'm not bullshitting unless you want me to drive it through there.
I'm about to drive the hell out of this store. Oh, you want to bet?
Don't take it through there.
What you want me to do? Kane told me to hit the gas and go when I got it out. God almighty. All right, y'all.